everyone, my name is Benjamin Bischoff. I'm a test automation engineer with Trivago in Germany, and I'm really thrilled to join this year's TestMu Conference by LambdaTest in August. I will be talking about old tools, new tricks, and it's all about why and how you should choose tools for your tasks. Maybe it is a good idea to choose older and more familiar tools instead of shiny new tools. And I will talk a lot about that. So let's meet virtually at TestMu Conference. I'm looking forward to seeing you all and explore the future of testing together. See you then.